The second problem is Mr. Watchman. The problem statement is as follows. Given an ID number consisting of odd number of digits, so the length of the number will always be odd. And ID is valid only if the number of digits present to the left of the middle number is equal to the number of digits to the right of the middle number. So check if the ID is valid. Okay. For example 1, let's consider this number 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 6, 0. So here 0 is a middle number with 3 numbers to its left and 3 digits to its left and 3 digits to its right. So here we need to sum the left part, the digits in the left part, and we need to sum the digits to the right part. So here 1, 2, 3 is the left part. So we sum the left part, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 6. And we sum the right part, which is 0, 6, 0. So the sum of the right part is 0 plus 6 plus 0, which is equal to 6. Since the sum of the left part and the right part, which is 6, 6 is equal, 6 is equal to 6. Therefore, this ID 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 6, 0 is valid. For the next example, consider the number 1439351. So here 9 is a middle number with 3 digits to its left and 3 digits to its right. So here again we need to sum the left part and the right part. So sum of the left part will be 1 plus 4 plus 3, which is equal to 8, and sum of the right part will be 3 plus 5 plus 1, which is equal to 9. Here the sum to the left part, which is 8, is not equal to sum to the right part, which is equal to 9. So this ID 1439351 is invalid. And for the algorithm, so the easiest way to do this is to accept the number as a string and declare these variables: left to store the sum of the left subpart and right to store the sum of the right subpart, and length to store the length of the ID is always on. So loop variable I from 0 to length divided by 2, that is to the half of the string. So here we'll go from 1 to 9. So basically just this half. I goes from this one to 4 to 3, and it doesn't go to 9, it goes till here. Okay, so since this is a string and each character it has characters, so each digit is in a string represented as a character, so we need to change the character to integer. So we typecast it to integer, the ith character. So here we typecast the ith integer from the beginning of the string ID. So here we typecast 1, and D2 stores the typecasted value of the ith character from the end of the string ID. So that is, here again it's 1. So D1 stores this one and D2 stores this one. Okay. Now add D1 to left and add D2 to right. Now the I value of I is incremented, so I becomes 1 now. So D1 will store the ith character from the beginning of the string, that is, it will store D1 will store 4, and D2 will store the ith character from the end of the string, that is, D2 will store, so this is the end of the string, so ith character, so this first character from the end of the string, that is, D2 will store 5. So here D1 will store 4 and D2 will store 5. Okay, so now again add D1 to left and D2 to right. Now I becomes 2 now. So D1 will store 3 and D2 will store the second digit from the second character from the end of the string, that is 0, 1, 2. So this is the second character from the end of the string. So D2 will store this. So again add D1 to left and D2 to right. So this will go on till the end of the loop. Now at the end, check if left is equal to right. If it is equal to right, then the string is valid. So then print 1. If it's not, if left is not equal to right, then print 0 since it's invalid.